Alright you guys, so I'm back with another business video and I'm so excited because I'm going to be packing some orders with you guys that I got from today. I got a couple, so I'm really excited to share with you guys all the goodies that I typically sell on my online store at beautybychichi.com so y'all can get a better look. Now, before I go ahead and jump into it, I already know a lot of people are going to ask me, where do you get your custom lash boxes or like my custom products in general? There's so many places to choose from, of course, but if you're a new business owner and you don't know where to start, I feel like Alibaba.com is perfect. They are the largest e-commerce marketplace out there, so all you have to do is go on their site and browse their categories that they do offer. They do have about 40 categories on there, so whether you're doing beauty, clothing, apparel, shoes, whatever it may be, they have something for you. Now, with that being said, all you have to do is put in the search bar what you're looking for. Let's say it's custom lash boxes, put that in there and you're gonna see a bunch of suppliers and manufacturers. The best part is they are all verified, so you don't have to sit there and worry about, is this a real business or not? They are real, they're verified, so you don't have anything to worry about. Now, once you find them on there, all you have to do is contact them and see, if they have any products or samples to offer you, because I do recommend samples. Samples to me are super important because you want to make sure that what you're seeing on their site is real, and also ask for additional pictures and videos as well, because the more that I can see of your items, the more I can get a good understanding of what it'll look like once it comes to me. And then also see if they have any reviews. Reviews are always honest as well. People don't lie out here, especially because they're putting their money into these products. They're going to tell you the truth in the review section. So go ahead, scroll down to review sections, see what's going on, and then go from there. And then last but not least, like I mentioned as well, before you go ahead and place your products, just see if they have different pictures and videos of that item. So if I go ahead and see a vendor or manufacturer that I want to purchase from, I always ask for additional photos and additional videos as well to really see what the product looks like. So I highly recommend that. So I will say that once you go ahead and contact your supplier, just double check a couple things. I always look at reviews, their products, how long they've been in business. I always tell you guys I prefer people who've been in business for 3+ years, just because I know they're going to be here for a long time. So once you confirm that, go ahead and place your sample, and then you can go from there and start your business, you guys. Like, it's really that simple. So many categories to choose from and you have nothing to worry about. And I know sometimes as well, when it comes to placing an order or a sample with a supplier, you're kind of iffy because you don't know for sure if your products are going to come to you, or you don't know what may happen out there. The best part is Alibaba.com does have trade assurance, so you don't have to sit here and worry about, can I get my money back? If anything goes wrong, you can contact them and they will give you your money back. So that makes me feel a lot better as well when I talk to different people and place orders and samples and all of that, you guys. So it's really simple and easy to work with, because I know somebody's going to ask me a question on there. And I will say, so far I haven't had any issues. All the products I've ordered are super high quality products for an affordable cost, and I love that because, let's be honest, who doesn't want to save some money nowadays? Okay, we all want to save some money. So I love high quality products at a great price, and that's what my brand stands for as well. So I do appreciate that. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know ahead of time, because people always ask, who's your vendor? Who's your manufacturer? Y'all, there's so many sources out there. I gave you guys a good one, so make sure you go ahead and use it. But with that being said, I do have all these orders I need to get out as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm ready to pack them up and ship them out. So before I do start, you guys can tell I have gloves on. I already went ahead and cleaned the table with some Lysol, so we're good to go with that. I'm gonna fold up these invoice papers because I don't want to show you guys where they live and stuff like that. So the first one we do have is the Pillow Talk collection. So this was my Valentine's Day collection. I kind of bought a little bit too much, but they're currently on sale right now, so people have been buying them a lot, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I have this little basket. It just makes it easier to put all I need in here. Now, this is the Pillow Talk product itself, as y'all can see. And then also as well, I went ahead and included some stickers, candy, and this cute bubble mailer. Like, y'all, when I saw this, I was like, whoa, like, I love this. It's just so different, and it was very like in theme for Valentine's Day. So what we're gonna do is get the bubble mailer, and we're gonna add some pink confetti. Now, for my brand, I typically don't really do color, but it is, Valentine's Day collection, so I wanted to add a little something to make it festive. Then I'm also gonna add some white, I would say confetti, but this is what do you call this? Crinkled paper? I don't know. I call it confetti, but I know it's not the right name. So we're gonna put this in here as well. All right, kind of mix that up a little bit. Now, once I have that in there, I'm gonna take this collection, the Pillow Talk collection, and just drop that in there. And then also what I wanna do is include a thank you card. Obviously I will write in the back of it later on, but for the sake of this video, I want to make it a little bit faster for you guys, but I will go back and write, you know, my thank you note on here. So I'm going to put that in there to remind me. And then also I'm going to put some stickers and some Jolly Rancher heart candies. These are so cute, you guys. I was obsessed with these. So I'm going to put this as well inside. Sometimes people forget what they actually bought. So I always just fold this up, and typically it's a lot neater than this, but just trying to show you guys what I typically do. I'm gonna grab this clear plastic right here to insert this in. And then I also put my thank you card that I personally made as well for you guys, just to put it in here to thank y'all, and just slide that right in. So I put this, the thank you card, the candy, and then also the item itself. Then I'm putting some more confetti in here just to top it off a little bit and make it cute when they open it up. So I put some pink one in there, and then we're gonna put some white as well, just to make it really cute. And I mean, when you open this up yourself, you're gonna be like, whoa, like, look at that. So this is so cute. I love this collection. I was obsessed with it. And also, in case I didn't mention, the Pillow Talk collection was a liquid lipstick collection. There's still a couple left. Just make sure you go on the site to get them really quickly because it is about to sell out. And then I'm gonna fold it up later on. So with the next order, we do have the black bounce sponge and also the minimalist silk face mask. These masks, you guys, are like the top seller in my store. It is so crazy because it was a very last minute idea I had in mind because I was tired of my makeup being messed up all the time with the mask. So I went ahead and got the silk face mask, and these have been a hit ever since. We are coming out with more for the spring collection, so make sure you go to beautybychichi on Instagram to see that whole collection, but it is so cute, y'all. But this customer went ahead and got the emerald green silk face mask and also the black bounce sponge. So it's just 2 items. I'm gonna use this bubble mailer, and I'll show you guys what the items look like. So I'm gonna first add some confetti. Actually, you know what? I do that after because it's kind of hard to put the silk face mask when there's stuff in there already. So the first one they got was the emerald silk face mask, as y'all can see. Super cute. I'm just gonna put this one in here. And it's the perfect size as well, which I love. I'm gonna put that right in there. And then also the black bounce sponge, as y'all can see. I just love how I did that. It's so cute. These sponges are my favorite, y'all. I use them in all my YouTube videos. So I'm gonna put this one in here. And then we're gonna put a thank you card to remind myself to leave them a note. So this is a different thank you card, as y'all can see. I'm gonna write a note later on, but for now I'm just gonna stick it in here. And then, ooh, kind of struggling a little bit. So put that in there. Now this time we're just gonna use white confetti and also gray confetti because that's my brand colors. I don't do pink often, y'all. It was just for that collection. But we're gonna put some white in here and then also some gray as well, just to kind of make it a little bit festive. All right, so y'all can see all of that in there. And then of course, you guys already know the deal. Fold this up and then also include my thank you card and business card as well. So this next customer actually got 4 items. She got the pink bounce sponge, the rose nude minimalist silk face mask, the emerald green minimalist silk face mask, and then also the foam and lash cleanser kit. So when you get a bunch of items, you guys, I go ahead and give you a box because number one, it's just a little bit more, you know, sturdy. And then also as well, it's just like, wow, you bought a lot of items. I'm gonna give you a box, you know, kind of like a, it's not a thank you, but it's kind of like, you know, hey, you spent a lot, so let me give you a box, you know? I don't know. But let me go ahead and pull the big box. and it has the logo in there. It has this nice tissue paper as well. I will say with the new launch that's coming up really soon, I have my custom tissue paper coming in, so I cannot wait for that. But for now, I do have the silver one. So how I'm gonna pack this is I'm gonna get some white confetti and toss a bunch of this in the middle just to look really cute. And then we're gonna take some of the gray as well and just sprinkle that all over and just make it look really cute like this. So I'm gonna first start off with the Minimalist Silk Face Mask in Emerald. I'm gonna take this one and just place it in here. And then I'm gonna take Rose Nude, as y'all can see, and also place this one in here. Now we do have the Foaming Lash Cleanser. This is my favorite, you guys. I handmade this formula and everything. Like, literally came up with the perfect formula to clean your false lashes. It comes with a brush, a spoolie, instruction cards as well, and then some swabs also for you guys, so y'all can see all of that. It is so cute. So we're gonna fold this and put this one on the right hand side. And then we're gonna take the pink Bounce Sponge. This came out with the Valentine's Day collection, and put this in here. Now, of course, you guys already know, to top it off, I'm gonna sprinkle some gray confetti all over. And then also some white as well. Okay. Now, what I do as well to make it super cute is I fold this over just to make it look like a gift, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna close this with my stickers. I have these open stickers. I have more that I need to make actually because I'm changing the shape of it. So we're gonna take this sticker and then just place it right on top. Super cute. Then I'm also gonna include a thank you card right here. And then also going to fold my receipt, put it in here, and then also include my Beauty by Chichi card as well. So here's the last order for the day. This one is a smaller box, but she did go ahead and grab 3 airy lashes. Let me fold this up so I can show y'all. So she did get 3 airy lashes. So this is what our lashes look like. They're my absolute favorite, you guys. I literally designed these and I'm obsessed with it. So she got 3 airy lashes, and this is what it looks like in the front. Has the logo, and then also it does have this ribbon to pull it out as a drawer, so I love that effect it has. But on the back it has mink lash and all the details as well for you guys. Now, in case you guys don't like mink lashes and you prefer faux mink lashes, I did come out with this new collection as well. These are our faux mink lashes. They are white instead, and then also on the back it has faux mink lash, all the details and all that good stuff. So it's super cute as a collection. I just love these 2, and there's so many more to come as well in the future. Now she got 3, so what we're gonna do, if you guys don't already know, is put some confetti. I always put a lot of white just because I feel like the gray, you don't need too much of it because I have so much gray going on already. But I'm gonna sprinkle some gray in there. Now we're just gonna take the airy lashes and just stack them like this and push it down. Push this one down. And then also this one. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this and just sprinkle some more on top. And then add some gray as well, just to make it super cute. Like I want it to be like when I open something, I'm excited. I'm like, yes, let me open this up. Like I feel like with this, it's just so cute, and it just makes me feel happy every time I, you know, package orders for you guys, because I'm excited. So I hope y'all are excited as well. So you're gonna fold it like this. I'm trying to do it really neatly before I put the sticker on. Okay, cool. So there it is right there. We're gonna grab a sticker This is the last one. I need to make more stickers actually. But we're gonna take this and just place it right on top. Okay, super cute. I know I need to stop being so like OCD, but I just like everything to look perfect. And then of course, you guys already know I'm gonna put the receipt and all of that. I'm gonna place a thank you card on top. But that was the last order, you guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video just to see, you know, some behind the scenes of how I package orders. If you guys have any questions or video ideas, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in my next one.